You just landed in a brand new country. You're excited, nervous, maybe even a little lost. And then it hits you. You don't speak the language at all. But hold up, that's exactly why I downloaded this little lifesaver. It's called LanguAlpha, and it literally talks for you. I just tap Let's Talk, speak in my own language, and the app replies in theirs. Loud, clear, instant. You asking for food in a local cafe, talking to a taxi driver, reading a translated message from a classmate, calling someone through the app. It even translates calls and messages. So whether you're texting your new classmates or calling your landlord, LanguAlpha's got you. Honestly, I thought I'd struggle to survive here now. I'm making friends. I'm ordering food. I'm feeling confident. If you're moving abroad, download LanguAlpha before anything else. It's not just an app, it's your voice in every language. To learn more about this app, press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.